What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to hop on camera to give you a review of the Leadsleap program. And you want to know what is Leadsleap? It is a traffic source where you can generate leads to your business that you're promoting. And Leadsleap give you a number of things, a number of features on the side, but I'm going to show you how you can be getting free leads with this system. And you can just start off as being a free member to generate leads to your business opportunities. So this is the back office of Leadsleap, okay? And it have a number of features that I want to go over with you. Now, first I'm going to show you what the tracking links is. Now, when you get inside the system, you want to create you a tracking link. That way you can keep track of what type of traffic is coming through. You can see right here on one of my opportunities where in the 7-day span how I got 87 people have visited, 93 total, 89 unique clicks, and 64 real clicks. And these are the statistics that you can check out. You see them right here as you see through the months of how it started increasing, going towards this month. And right here you can see the sources where all the traffic is coming from. You can see also the geography of where they're coming from, like what country. You can check out all these statistics when you come into Leadsleap and actually create you a tracking link. And that's one of the best things I like about it, is I could be able to know which places that's giving me the most traffic, and I can see that I can basically capitalize on what's working and limiting the ones that's not working. Okay, so I know I said earlier into this video about how you can be able to get free leads with the Leadsleap. Before I get deep into that, I would like y'all to hit that like and subscribe button to this channel. Leave your comments below if anything that I said sparked anything up. You can make sure you hit me up in the comment section below if you'd like to connect with me on social media. That link in the description will be below. Alright, so on to the finishing of the next video. Well, to get free leads, you're going to have to be able to post an ad. You're going to have to post an ad in order to really be able to get your ad rotated. And you do that by clicking on ads for free, okay? Right here over the advertising tab. And right here you can see where you can add a new ad. So make sure once you add your new ad, you put in your URL and you also put in a catchy title. So you fill out all of this and then save and submit. And that will get your ads running. Now, in order to be able to get the free leads coming to your site, you're going to have to be viewing other people's sites and earning credits. So if you're a free member, you're going to be going over here on the other side where you're going to be searching. It's pretty much like a traffic exchange. Once you serve other people's opportunity, in return you will be able to get points that's added to your account. So you want to check out, as you can see over here, you see a lot of people that's the pro member, which I do highly recommend that you upgrade to a pro membership so you can be able to unlock all of the content. You could be able to get landing pages, splash pages, and you get to earn more commissions, more percentage of commissions. So getting leads free, this is one way you can be able to get leads free without pay. You could be a free member as long as you want, but if you do decide to upgrade to Leadsleap, the pro membership, it's one time, per month, $20 per month. Now, if you don't do it within the first, that's if you do it within the first 24 hours for you signing up with the free membership. But if you sign up a day later, then you'll be paying about $29 per month. So if you want to be able to get free leads, make sure that you view other people's sites. And this is one of the ways how I do it, where I can earn credits, because you can also earn cash doing this as well. So You want to at least get 10 sites a day. That goes into your credits. But once you keep viewing, you open the link window right here, and then those credits will be going into your account. As you can see right there, 1+ credit was just been added just because I have viewed this particular website, and this is me viewing other people's opportunity. So in exchange, I will definitely get more credits to my site, and then those credits will go right up in here. So if I hit refresh, you can see that it was added. You see those credits, how they just boosted up just by me looking at the other members that's a part of Leadsleap. You can check out them on right here on the right hand side. Alright, so if you want to promote Leadsleap, they do have an affiliate program where you could be able to promote this and you could be able to earn a commission. They have lots of resources that you can use. They have different email swipes. They can have banner ads where you can be able to promote Leadsleap. So you can see right here, they got these different banner ads you can check out. And this could also drive more and more traffic to your opportunity for free. So Leadsleap is very, very special because it got so many features that you can use to get the exposure that you need for your business. And if you are a struggling online marketer trying to get leads to your business, Leadsleap is one of the best options to start off with, especially if you low on budget and you don't have money for solo ads or cost per clicks or anything of that nature. You can use Leadsleap to be able to get the amount of exposure that you need for your business. Now, if you'd like to get started with Leadsleap, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to this channel, and I will give you my best strategies and my marketing tips that can help you to be able to get yourself out there and also to brand yourself as well. All right, so that's all I have for you to get today, guys. Be sure to hit me up on social media if you have any questions. I have a Facebook link right in the description, and you can connect with me right there, and I definitely can get back in touch with you, and we can communicate right there. All right, so that's it for today. This is 𝗖cie with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.